Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth from Stamped Treasures. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I'm excited to be here today to share the details of the February 2022 class to go. So this month, Laura and I have decided to focus on the Daffodil Daydream bundle from the January to June 2022 mini catalog. So it's got a beautiful stamp set with a couple daffodil images, a butterfly, this great border set, a couple great gradings, and then some speckles, and then a fabulous die set that goes along with it. And then it, of course, coordinates with the Daffodil Afternoon DSP from the celebration brochure. So until February 28th, when you purchase $60, you can earn this DSP for free with your purchase. And it is meant to coordinate with this beautifully. So there are 4 different ways that you can participate in this class. Option 1 is available to Canadians. Option 1 and 2 are available to Canadians. Well, actually, and I guess option 4 as well. But okay, let's go through the options. Option 1, class fee of $45 plus $5 shipping if needed. I can ship anywhere in Canada. And what that will include is a quarter package of the Daffodil Afternoon DSP. So you'll get 6 pieces of 6 by 12 inch DSP. You'll get a package of the iridescent rhinestone basic jewels, a package of the brushed brass butterflies. You'll get 2 yards of this beautiful, very vanilla scallop lace trim. That's what it looks like there. So you got 2 yards of that. In addition to that, you'll get the card kits for the 6 cards that we'll be making in class, and you'll receive an email with the tutorial, which includes a full supply list, measurements, photos, and links to a video for each one of the projects. Okay, so that's option 1. Option 2, if you don't already own the Daffodil Daydream bundle, this option might be the best option for you. So it is the I Want It All option. So basically what you would do is you would go to my Canadian online store, and using the class host code, which I will post in the description below, and I will also link to where you can find all this information. You will place an order of $99.25 or more, and you'll get the class kits for free, as well as a full spool of this vintage ribbon and the emailed PDF. Okay, so your class is basically free if you place that order online. Now, why $99.25? Because that includes the Daffodil Daydream bundle. It also includes the iridescent rhinestone basic jewels and the brushed brass butterflies. And then as your free product, you would choose the Daffodil Afternoon DSP. And then, of course, I would send you this with your card kits for free. Okay, now if you have some or all of these products, you can still participate in the I Want It All option. You would just choose other product valued at $99.25. That's before shipping and taxes. Okay, all right, and then the third option, this option is great if you are outside of Canada. You can purchase the tutorial, which I will link in the description below. The tutorial is $20, and that includes the PDF that has the supply list, measurements, photos, and links to all of the videos. And then the final option is for my Stamped Treasures, or my Treasure Stampers team members. Team members get 1 class to go tutorial for free each month, and this is that class for February 2022. And if you are a team member and you would like to purchase the kits, then it's $15, and I will send you the card kits for all 6 of the projects. Okay, now the additional supplies that will be handy to have on hand. Now, of course, you can have variations of these. You don't necessarily have to have the exact same things. So you will need Memento ink and Pale Papaya ink, or color close to that. We also colored in the daffodils using Stampin' Blends, and we used Old Olive, Pale Papaya, and then Calypso Coral. You can use Calypso Coral light or dark. You will also need a blending brush for Pale Papaya, or a sponge will work as well. And now there are a couple great sentiments in here, but so that we didn't reuse the sentiments over and over and over, we also used the Special Moments stamp set, which is a free set with a $120 purchase during celebration, so until the end of February. However, you can use any greeting that you have, set that you have on hand. Okay, if you've been a stamper for a while, you likely have greetings in your collection. You will also need the layering circles dies, or I believe it's a 2 1/4 inch circle punch. So you'll die cut one circle, and then this is suggested. We did use this outline image to cut out some DSP. This is from the Scallop Contour dies. Now, if you don't have this die set, that is completely fine. You can just cut a rectangle and that would work well. Okay, now, are you ready for a little peek at the project? So I'm gonna do a quick flip through. So we've got project number 1, number 2, oh, I got 2 projects here, number 3, number 4, number 5, and I have not had a chance to make the 6th project. But there will be 6 projects included, and the deadline to participate in this class is February 18th. All right, I'll post a link in the description where you can find all of the information in one spot. And I hope you decide to participate. It's going to be a great class. All right, thanks so much for watching. Take care.